So we practice dhyan, meditating on the form of ourselves, our divine being, and the form of our Ishta Devata, and his divine eternal consort of compassionate, love-filled energy dancing in his mind and heart, known as Radha. So we meditate on Radha and Krishna in our hearts. That Radha's feet there's 8 marks on Radharani's right lotus foot and 11 on her left, and this is here and that's there, and she has these type of ankle bells, and this beautiful reddish glow of her bottom of her feet rises up to the top of her feet and beautifully meets the golden aura of the top of her feet. And we go like this, slowly, slowly, meditating from the smile to the feet, or from the feet to the smile. Generally, Puranas, they instruct the devotees to meditate from Krishna's loving lotus feet to his beautiful, sweet lotus smile. But Vishwanath Chakravarti is in Madhurya. He's a Madhurya Mayi Bhakta. He's in Madhura Rati. So the most important part of the body in Madhurya Rati is the face and the lips. Please, Adara Amrita Sincha, Dedo. Please, Krishna, shower us with the nectar of your lips. Adaramritam. Sinchanga Daramritam. So he says one in his book, Rupa Chintamani, first the Bhakta, the Gaudiya Vaishnava, who is following my teachings, Mahajano Yena Katal Sapanta, who's following me, like all of us are, first meditate. He says, he starts off very beautiful. He says, deeply meditate and concentrate. Deeply meditate and concentrate now and forever on the beautiful, beautiful, sweet, charming smile of Krishna. Sometimes lovers, they say to each other, I just want to see you smile. Whatever I can say, whatever I can do, however I can act, my only motivation and desire in all those actions is to see a smile on the face of my beloved. Yeah? So the devotee wants to see Krishna smile, and the devotee wants to see Krishna smile. So therefore, Vishnu says, begin by meditating on the smiling face of Krishna, then before long, all your sadness and all your frowning, your sadness will be dissolved by meditating on the smile of Krishna, and your frowning face will be replaced. Your frowning face will be replaced by a sweet, smiling countenance when one receives the love of Krishna in his heart, or her heart.